Welcome to BVS PRAGATHI channel. In this session, let's understand about some more points regarding orthographic projections. So we have seen that for orthographic projections, there's a vertical plane and a horizontal plane. Okay. And the horizontal plane and the vertical plane have a line of intersection which is XY. Now if you extend the horizontal plane beyond line of intersection and the vertical plane beyond the line of intersection, you get 4 quadrants. Okay. And they're also called dihedral angles. So you have first quadrant or the first angle of projection, second quadrant or the second angle of projection, third quadrant or the third angle of projection, and fourth quadrant or the fourth angle of projection. If the position relative to horizontal plane is described as above or below HP, and the position related to vertical plane is described as behind VP or in front of VP. So when the object is in first quadrant, it means it is above horizontal plane in front of VP. And in second quadrant, it means that the object is above horizontal plane and behind VP. In the third quadrant, it is below horizontal plane and behind VP. And in the fourth quadrant, it is below horizontal plane and in front of VP. So in the previous session, we had the object in the first quadrant and we determined orthographic projections. Now let's say that the object is in third quadrant. Okay, like this. That is, it is below HP and behind VP. Let's draw projections onto the vertical plane. So we are drawing projections onto the vertical plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So all these projectors are parallel to each other and are meeting at the vertical plane. Okay. And the figure formed by joining the point of intersections, the figure which is formed by joining the point of intersections will give you the top view of the object. Similarly, let's draw projectors onto the horizontal plane. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, which gives a complete top view of the object. So the figure formed by joining the points of intersection correct sequence will give you the top view. And when the two planes are brought in line with each other, the view will be like this. That is, the top view is above the front view. And if you remember in the previous session, when the object was in the first quadrant, the front view was above the top view. So if you compare when an object is in third angle projection or for the first angle projection, the views obtained are identical in shape, size and all other details. The only difference lies in their relative position. Okay. So which projection do we use? First angle projection or the first quadrant projection or third angle projection, also called third quadrant projection? So ISI code of practice. What is the ISI code of practice? First angle projection is normally used by Britishers. Third angle projection is standard practice followed in America and in continent of Europe. In our country, the first angle projection was formerly in use. ISI, the Indian Standard Institution, in earlier versions recommended use of third angle projection. This was in vogue till the second revised version was published in 1973. The committee responsible mentioned that it left the choice of third angle projection or the first angle projection to the users itself. That's